So today we have something very, very exciting I'm reviewing. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we have something very, very exciting I'm reviewing. You can probably tell from the title, but I have been wanting to get this mask set. I think I was gonna get a different one actually for ages, literally months since it came out. Beauty Tap is finally selling this set on their website, and they contacted me and asked if they could send me one, and I said yes, because why wouldn't I? This is the Mediheal and BTS Hydrating mask set. There is 10 masks in here, as well as some photo cards, which I haven't opened yet. I've taken all of my self-control not to. There is actually 5 of these in there, but I already used one, and that is the one we are trying today. This is the Aqua Ring Ample Mask. Technically, it is the Mediheal NMF Aqua Ring Ample Mask. And it says the NMF Natural Moisturizing Factor, Sodium Hyaluronate, and Witch Hazel Water Solve Skin Thirstiness, Alination, and Treehouse. I don't know how to pronounce words. Enhance skin elasticity and give tightening effect. Made with fine silky fiber, the cellulose sheet mask provides optimized fit along face curvature to effectively deliver essence to your skin. This one is made for dry skin and combination skin, and it has like the special BTS packaging, which is super cool. And then all these sets come with the tea tree one, which I love my tea tree masks, so super excited to try this one, even though I didn't today. It is the Tea Tree Mediheal Tea Tree Care Solution Essential Mask. Again, special edition BTS one. It has the BTS wrapping, and then it says, oh gosh, something that is very long, and then in parentheses it says tea tree leaf oil, chamomile, something, a bunch of stuff that I can't read because I can't read, which care glossy skin and widen pore and sensitive skin type, relax the skin and care it and moisturized. Made with fine silky fiber, the cellulose sheet mask provides optimized fit, long face, curvature, whatever. Same thing as the other one. And this one is for oily and combination skin. Yeah, it does come with another 5 of these. So basically you're good. Like, you're set for your masks. And then it does give directions for use on the back of the package. It says, 1, after cleansing, even out skin using a toner. Take the mask out of its package, unfold, and place the sheet on the face. 2, rest comfortably for 10 to 20 minutes and remove the mask. 3, remove the mask and let the skin absorb the remaining essence by gently patting the skin. Considering the skin's 4-week turnover term, it is most effective to use consecutively 2 to 3 times a week for 4 weeks. And then it says in parentheses, 1 month concentrated skin management program. So it does kind of give you masks to use for like a month basically. And then there's fun stuff in here because it's a special set. First of all, there's this card in there that has like, I think it's just talking about all the masks. I thought it was just a cardboard divider, because also what is in there is the photo cards, not for sale. It's special. So I'm gonna try to open it with my nails. Please don't rip, please don't rip, please don't rip, please don't rip. Please. Okay, awesome, it didn't rip. Yeah, there's like, how many cards are even in here? I don't even know. I don't know how well these are gonna show up because I have my light right here. But there's one. I'm just like giving a little glance at the cards, and they're so nice. Like, guys, like, there's a group one. My lights are making it really hard to see, but like, guys, and they're like really nice material actually too. Like, they're better than like photo cards that would actually be in an album. Yeah, these are definitely going up on my walls, possibly framed, possibly. I need to see a good Jungkook one. That's nice. All right, I will take a very full-on look at these later. Now that we've kind of unboxed the whole entire thing, let's get on with the review. I can't look at the front of the box for too long. All right, we do have both masks, and I'm going to try the Aqua Ring one because I've tried so many tea tree masks, and the tea tree are in all of the sets, so let's go for the one that's different. We have instructions in both languages on here, awesome. Directions for use. 1, after cleansing, trims skin texture and wear the facial mask from the top forehead. So I think you put it on starting at the forehead. And then, oh yeah, forehead, nose, upper cheek. So like this. 2, hold lifting line A and cover the cheek by lifting up for making it tight. So I guess it's made to be on your face better, which is okay. And number 3, stay and take a rest for 10 to 20 minutes. take the facial mask off and slightly tap the face for better absorption of essence. So it's a basic sheet mask. I'm going to set the timer on my phone for 10, I went to calculator. I'm gonna set it for 10 minutes before I put it on. This one is supposed to be moisturizing and then tea tree is soothing, which I probably could use the tea tree right about now, but I will try that eventually. They're kind of hard to rip open, there is that. Oh, okay, got it. All right, there she is. It feels very nice and there's like a lot on here. I am having trouble getting this apart. It's one of those like really thin masks that if you pull too hard while unfolding it, you will rip it. All right, it does have the logo in there, which is like supposed to be like, it's an official product, wow. And let's get this on. All right, starting with the forehead. I do have a mirror right here this time. Concentration right here. Oh no, it folded under. I do kind of like the shape and the fit of these masks. If you guys have watched my videos before, with sheet masks, you know that I can never really get them to fit my face right, but these are kind of getting there. Come on. Okay, cool. They're still a bit big in parts, but like, it's a better fit. I do have to say that. Maybe not in the chin. All right, then I'm gonna tap to make sure it is on. This does feel really nice. Gonna go back. I'm getting essence all over my phone screen. Okay, I just snapped and it got everywhere. 10 minutes. These are like really nice actually. They're kind of very see-through. It's like not very obnoxious. But it's not stinging or burning. It doesn't have like a really weird smell. And so far, I'm pretty much liking it. The only thing that is an issue is that it's falling off of my chin and like this part is sinking down, but I get that with masks pretty much all the time, and it's most likely because I'm talking to you guys. So we still have like 7 minutes wearing this mask, so I will get back to you guys in 7 minutes. Okay, so it's almost been the 10 minutes. I have about a minute left wearing this mask, but overall I pretty much like it. As you guys can see, it's still like falling off my chin, but that's okay. But yeah, this mask did not burn my skin at all, which is great. And also kind of in the middle, it got really cooling, and it still is really cooling, and it's actually super nice. I really like it. But yeah, I don't really know what else to say because I like it. So let's just take it off. I'm gonna start on the top here. All right, and then it says to pat the rest of the, I think this is actually an ample mask, yeah. Rest of the ample in, and I'm gonna do that. There's still a lot left on my face after the 10 minutes, so maybe 20 minutes is better, but we're just trying it out. It didn't make my face any more red. If anything, it got rid of a lot of the redness on my cheeks, which is really, really nice. Like, I've had a lot of trouble with certain sheet masks making my face really red, and a lot of sheet masks, when you take them off, will just make your face red and then it goes back to normal and everything. But this one was really, really nice. There was no burning, no redness. In fact, it got rid of a lot of the redness. This mask, that one I tried specifically, is also for dry to combination skin, and I have more oily to combination skin, and it still was really, really nice. I'm just really liking it. And usually when I use masks that are not for my skin type, they don't really react well to my skin. However, this one did. I needed to pat this in. I am getting lazy. This takes a while to pat in, not gonna lie. But yeah, BTS masks are a success. That is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I will have this set linked down below where you can buy it on BeautyTap. I think it is $25 on their website. And they do have free shipping if you spend a certain amount as well. Overall, if you are a BTS fan, I totally recommend this set. And if you're not a BTS fan, I actually recommend the Mediheal masks just on their own. My only thing though, if you have oily skin, and I'm just putting this out there because I did have an issue where when I tried to put on makeup after this, my skin was really peely. And that could have also been because I used a peeling gel this morning, but I don't think it was because I did make sure to get everything off, and I did kind of wash my face another time over. So I don't think I'd recommend using these masks in the morning, at least if you have oily skin and you're using the aqua ring mask. However, if you're using these at night, I feel like these are a really good nighttime mask. And like, I can't even get rid of this box. I'm gonna have to keep this box. But yeah, other than that, I have to give them, I'd probably say a 4.5 stars out of 5. Just because there was that little issue I had with putting on makeup afterwards, but that might not have been the masks, but it could have been, but I don't really know. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe down below, as well as leave a comment and a like. I hope everyone's having a super, super great day, and I will see you guys tomorrow in my next video. Bye guys!